Sharps Ferry, sites 1 through 30. Site 1. Site 2. Site 3. 4. Another pull through. Quite a lot at this campground. Site 5. 6. Site 7. 8. Site 9. Site 10. 11. 12 and 13. Buddy sites. That's 13. And that's 12. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. Okay. 19. 20. ADA site. There's a sidewalk to the bathroom. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. There's our campsite. 27. Plenty of room. 28. 29. There's the street. Site 30. Across from the Sharps Ferry Loop is the dump station. Right after the Sharps Ferry Loops is the cabin loop entrance. Cabin 1. Fireplace, it looks like. Nice. Screened-in porch. Cabin 2. 1 and 2 are really separated. Nice little fire ring area. 3. Caddy corner from 3 is 4. 5. 6. And 7. And 8. 9. Cabin 10. Last one. And there's the exit out of the loop. Fort King Loop, sites 31 through 59. Site 31. Site 32. Site 33. This is our site. Site 34. Site 35. Site 36. That's about all we're going to get of that one. 37. 38. Site 39. Sites 40 and 41. Looks like a buddy site. It's huge. 42. Here's site 42 from this angle. 43. Site 44. 45. Pull through. 46. Site 47. 48. 49. 50, your campground host. There. 51. Getting close to Halloween. 52. And there's the previous loop we were just on. These two loops share the bathhouse. Bathhouse. Shower. The other shower. Family bathroom. Washer and dryer. Soda machine. Dishwashing area. And sharing library. 53, ADA site. Sidewalk to the bathhouse. Site 54. Daisy's pad. 55. 56. 57. There's 58. Someone was walking around there. Nice view off of 58 though. 59. Got us another skeleton. It's 59 from the entry street. We are heading out of here.